heat detector, just heat. Now, heat detectors actually, so they're kind of put into places like for, like you put them in your garage or you put them up in your attic, maybe even in the kitchen, so something like that. But they don't turn on unless the heat gets up about 135 degrees or so. And then they activate. So sometimes, say if you have sometimes fires, they just explode, and they just poof, like a chimney fire or something like that. See, the chimney fire, it's going up the chimney, so your smoke's going up there, and the fire is contained inside your box. But if it actually has that fire that's happening inside of the chimney chase, by the time it pops, your house is it's getting hot really, really fast, and that's why the 135 degrees. 135 degrees, well, if you live in Phoenix or one of them places, you're probably giggling at me right now thinking, well, heck, heat alarm would go off all the time in my house. Well, actually, you're probably right. But just check about that. Make sure that that system is something that's compliant for your environment. But for the most of us out here, they work fabulous. And they sometimes have sometimes they have a little false alarms. But if you have a false alarm with one of these, you might want to replace your alarm system. So that's very important. Learning is the key to success. Thanks, folks, and God bless you all.